welcome back to my channel. Today I have a simple but meaningful DIY to share with you. I am doing this one in collaboration with Heaven's Pearls. They are a lovely group of ladies here on YouTube, and they are hosting this What Makes Me Happy collab. And for this series they are doing Fruit of the Spirit, and with that, this DIY is going to be what brings me joy. So I will share with you what some of the things that brings joy to my life, and let me give a shout out to all the Heaven's Pearls. Thank you ladies for the open invite, and I hope you guys will have great time watching and learning something from this, or maybe doing one of these simple DIYs, or even just to take a moment and reflect on what brings you joy. What are some of the things that makes you happy? The hosts are, I will leave all their information below so you could check it out. You could check their channel out. They have beautiful DIYs and tablescapes, and they do a lot of collaborations, and they just have beautiful things that inspires me, and that's one of the reasons I decided to join. So the list of hosts are DIY Design by CCW. The second one is Jazigreen Decor Style. Number 3 is Levels of Style with Sandra. Number 4, Love is the Main Key. And number 5, Me, Myself, and the DIY in it. These are some beautiful ladies, so don't forget to pop over to their channel and subscribe. Also, check out all the beautiful things they have to share with us all. So what I chose to do today with the what brings me joy, when I think of what brings me joy, I think of my faith. I'm a Christian, and I think of my faith. So to do a DIY, it's a 2 pieces that I'll be doing today. The first one is, like I said, has to do with my faith in God, and this is just a symbol of the cross that I like to display in my house. And this one I picked it up at the Dollar Tree, so I'll just do just paint them and do some glitter. And the other thing that brings me joy is my family. So these 2 pieces I picked up at Dollar Tree. I might be using these as well that I picked up in Dollar Tree, and most of my items will be from the Dollar Tree, including the Mod Podge. The glitter is not from Dollar Tree. I have another glitter here. That is, this one I picked up at Michael's, and this one was just from a local craft store. I have some paint that I picked up in Joann's actually, and this was from the Dollar Tree. So these items here are from the Dollar Tree, and my brush, and I also have my glue gun and some Gorilla Glue sticks, because I think I'll be gluing some of the pieces together. I also have from the Dollar Tree some fairy lights I have in mind to use. I may or may not use it, but what I'm going to do is, as I said, I'm going to paint these. I think it's best if I paint, especially this one. This one I'll be doing with the white iridescent glitter, and this one I picked yellow. The reason why I picked yellow, my family is like I said, is one of the things that brings me joy. I'm a mom of 2, and other than that, I have a large family of 9 sisters and brothers. We're 9. And like I said, my family brings me joy. And one other thing that brings me joy is the sunshine. And I'm using yellow today because when I think of my family, I think of sun. I think of sunshine. So all that together, I am going to do, and I'm going to what I'm going to do is I'll be painting everything, but I won't have you watch me paint. I'll just paint, and then when I come back after I paint, then I'll show you how I do, because I'll be using Mod Podge to adhere the glitter. I have resin. I might, depending on how it looks, I might use resin, but I wanted to keep it as a simple DIY that you guys may be able to just grab some stuff from Dollar Tree and do if this inspires you and this is something you think you would like to do for yourself. And I know not everyone has resin or even like to work with it, but a lot of people might be able to access some glitter, because Dollar Tree does have glitter, and they have these and just my little bowls here, my paintbrushes and everything that I'm going to put in. So let me just paint these, let them dry, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I have painted each piece, and I just gave one coat of paint because it will not be displayed painted, it would be covered with glitter. I just needed like a background for my glitter. The bottom of this I didn't bother painting because it will be sitting like that. So what I'm going to do now, let me put these to the side. First I will work on the family one, and then I will work on my cross. Okay, so now this is dry. I end up doing 3 coats of Mod Podge and glitter, and then a final coat of Mod Podge to seal it in after I finish. And this is how it's looking right now. I also finished this one. This one will be staying in this form. I will not be adding anything to this, so this is going to be put on the side for now. And these will be what I put the family on.